we got this storage ottoman that I'm really super satisfied with it. It's like a fax leather. If you get up close, you can see it looks like leather. It's just not real leather, but it's super soft. So like you can actually use it just to sit on. And then it has legs on it, but depending on, you know, the size of your couch, that worked perfect for ours. But if you had like a shorter couch, you could just take the legs off or whatever you wanted to do. But then on the inside, I like that it has the hinges on the side, and that way it'll stay open while you're trying to put stuff inside of here. You can see the size of it. Like I've got a blanket here and a pillow, so you could just use it to store whatever you want. But I just needed some extra storage space. I feel like we have our blankets and pillows all over, so that's super nice. But you can get them in different sizes, but this one is the one that fit our couch well. So I just wanted to show it to you. It looks nice. I just think it's a nice addition have with your couch if you don't have a ottoman or a footstool. That way people can put their feet on it. And like I said, it's just super, super soft. So I'm really satisfied with ours.